Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. This is FMS's Olympus, a highly aerobatic and precision aerobatic RC aeroplane. Comes in the box, quite a toolbox, but with very few components, so it just bolts together really in about 20 minutes. You do have to use glue to secure these in place, but otherwise that's it. What I'm expecting is that this will do all the basic aerobatics that I do with my other RC airplanes, but a lot more precisely. It should be like a knife through butter. That's the whole point of a mid-wing model like this. So let's not hang around, let's get it in the sky and see how it flies. So there you go, that's FMS's 1.4 metre Olympus, and you realise straight away when you're flying it that it's really a precision machine and that it goes exactly where you tell it to. So there's no point having high rates. You really need, I straight away took off on high rates and dialed it back to my medium rates, which was 66%, and then sometimes even went down to the lower rates, because you really want to use the full resolution of the servo and of your stick when you're flying, to keep it super smooth and to do those axial rolls, the 4-point rolls, 8-point rolls, stall turns, inverted flight, all of that. It's really like a Ferrari of the skies compared to other things that you might fly. It really is precise, and it's challenging to make it fly precisely, and that's the fun of flying it, to be honest. So really easy to put together, bolts together. Glue only needed for these on the wingtips. The one thing I will say, it flies on a 6S pack, 3300 to 5000 pack, they say, but you do need to be careful that the pack that you get actually fits in the bay, because if my pack was too tall and effectively did not allow the canopy to fully shut, and the magnets need to be right against one another to hold during your flight. So make sure you measure and make sure that you get a pack, a lipo pack, that actually fits and will allow that canopy to shut properly. Otherwise you might lose it while you're flying, like I did earlier on my first flight. You wouldn't want that to happen because it could potentially damage the canopy if it falls off while you're flying. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment, and a discount code as well should you want to get one and save a few pennies. Thanks for watching. You might want to subscribe to Essential RC. I'm on Facebook and YouTube. Follow on your favourite platform. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.